Hello, Chet Porter with MarineMax in Savannah. I'm going to take a minute and tell you about this 2019 235 Scout that we just listed. Boat's in really good shape. Customer added the Aquatrax flooring on the boat. Got the storage compartment here. Cup holders, removable backrest. Has the windshield on the side and front, which is nice to keep you out of the wind. But it has the vacuum flush toilet. Battery switches inside the console. Flip up bolster seats. Nice for standing or sitting. The 942 Garmin. Trim tabs. Garmin's VHF that he just added to the boat. Fusion stereo. Also just added a light bar to the top of the hardtop. It's very nice. Powered by 300 Mercury. Bench seat. Live well. Raw water wash down here. And then you also have a freshwater wash down here. So give us a call, 912-525-0961. MarineMax Savannah, 2019 Scout 235. Boat's in great shape. Give us a call. Thank you.